beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Real Serene. Yes, I might do this every single intro, okay? I'm so excited to be here back again with you guys. So today we're going to be watching Attack on Titan episode 2 and possibly episode 3 as well. If you are seeing this video, then you would know I might do both of them in one video. But yes, so also want to let you guys know the other anime, Oshinoko, should be on Patreon by midnight. And I'm also watching Spirited Away for the first time. Finally, I'm gonna start my studio, I think it's Ghibli. Is it Ghibli or Ghibli? I think it's Ghibli, Studio Ghibli journey. The only other movie I've seen is like Ponyo, and I watched that when I was super young. Like, I don't even know how I remember it. But yes, so anyway, that will be coming tomorrow. I will try to do 2 movies a week, an animated movie and a live action. But since I was a little behind, I'm just gonna stick with Spirited Away for this week, and that will be coming tomorrow. As I said, I am a one-woman show and a one-woman army with an iPhone. So I'm doing the best I can, is going as fast as I can. Even if you don't get, reaction from me on the day, just know it is definitely coming the next day or the next day or the next.
Even if I have to come back tomorrow, on the next day, on the next day, on the next day.
But yes, so also to let you guys know, of course, my reactions are in watch-along format. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start doing full watch-alongs for the animes and TV shows. So for today, like starting today with Attack on Titan, it's gonna be a full watch-along, which just means I'm not editing any part of it out because I wanted to edit it just so, because there are times where I'm just gonna be sitting here watching and I might not have like a reaction per se. So I edited like stuff like that out just to give you guys, reactions to the important stuff. But really the animes aren't that long anyway, like lengthwise, so I'm just gonna do a full watch along. That might be more fun anyway, since the clips aren't, I can't do the clips and stuff right now. That way we can just watch the whole thing together anyway. And I think it would be better that way for watch along format. But as soon as I can, I would definitely do, regular type reactions like other channels. If you want to support me, you can send me something on my cash tags, Real Serene. Also my other cash tag listed in the comments, or you can just join me on Patreon, so that way you get exclusive content, early access, horror movies, as well as my live action and animated movies will stay full watch along on Patreon as well. So yeah, so you can support me through Patreon. I really rather you guys do that way anyway, because I want you to get all the content I am putting over there, okay? And Game of Thrones, the first episode full uncut reaction is on there, and Oshinoko, like I said, will be there by midnight, okay? And yes, so like I said, this will be from now on a full watch along with me. So if you get up or you pause or anything, you have to pause me as well, because it's literally like we're watching the whole thing together, okay? Just in case anyone doesn't know what full watch along means. I'm just gonna play the whole thing like we're watching the whole thing together. So if you get up or you need to pause it, you have to pause me too. And I still will include timestamps throughout the video, so just to help in case somehow you still get lost, whatever happens. Or even if you get up and you don't want to pause it, there's still gonna be timestamps throughout the video, and you'll know from where I start, where I am. Yes, so once again, I'm watching this on Crunchyroll, but I didn't mean to say Crunchyroll. I was leading into the next thing. I'm watching this on Crunchyroll, so anywhere you watch it, if you don't have access to Crunchyroll for whatever reason, I do have places you can watch along everything I watch on this channel with me through my Reddit or Twitter page. I cannot list them here for copyright reasons. I can't even like name where I watch it, where you can watch it. So yes, so that is all listed on my Reddit and Twitter pages, okay? And for a free copy, you can watch along with me, so there are no excuses, you guys. Okay, I'm giving you everything you need, all the tools you need to be successful. But yes, so Attack on Titan. So I'm very excited just because I'm happy to be here, but the episode did end very tragically with his mom. And obviously the Titans are demonic and petty, and went through the trouble of grabbing her from under. I thought it would just walk by, but it like grabbed her from under the house, and yeah, that was crazy. I did state from from the first episode, I really like Eren and Mikasa. And I thought the dad was a little suspicious. Okay, he was a little like he knows something we don't know. So we'll see. And what else? That was pretty much all. I mean, it was just the first episode. Not much has happened so far, so we're gonna get into all of that today. I am excited to do 2 episodes at once, so you know, I don't have to wait to see what happens next. So yes, I believe that's all. If you are into weightlifting or you need help with your nutrition and diet, you can head over to my second channel at Serene Wins Fitness, and I will list that in my description as well as on the bottom of the video. Yes, I just want to do a shameless plug that in. I am a fitness coach and a fitness model. Over there, I give mental health advice, fitness advice, and things like that, okay? So let's get into Attack on Titan, episode 2 and 3. Okay guys, we are getting started. Grab your snacks, grab your blankie, grab your drink, whatever it is, and let's get into it. If you need to pause me right now before we start, go ahead and do so. And we are starting with episode 2. Let me make sure. This is episode 2 of Attack on Titan, season 1. Let me see. The fall of, I'll try, Shiganshina. I tried. In 3, 2, 1. So this is a preview. I'm turning up the volume. Yeah, I'm gonna let the previews play to help me in case I forgot anything. And like I said, I will still include timestamps throughout the video if you want to skip to certain parts. I'm kicking 1 feet up. Oh my god, you know what theme I don't miss? Death Note. Death Note's theme song was so chaotic. Like, oh my gosh. Both versions. So I have, while the theme song is going, I'm gonna finish Death Note on this channel. I got to the halfway point where you know what happens. I'm not gonna spoil it for anyone that hasn't seen it. But yeah. So I have to watch the next half, basically. I'm gonna make sure I don't look crazy, guys. One thing I never understood, I don't know if they're doing it here, but why do they put spoilers in the theme song in animes? It's backwards, isn't it? That's why I'm not really watching, because I don't want to see the spoiler, but I'm just gonna let it play. Let me know in the comments if their theme song includes spoilers. I feel like most of them do. Reminds me of the crow from Demon Slayer. He's walking around with the Bible. For real. This is terrifying. They're like, are there things other than the Titans, or are they all Titans? Oh. Just know in real life, God got you. For real. All you need is the Bible, for real. But we'll talk more about that later. Yeah, he really had to leave. It was crazy. He had to turn around because there was just no way that he was going to be able to do anything. I was going on him in the first episode, but honestly, I don't think he could have fought it effectively anyway. By himself. My girl Mika, what is going on? The Titans look disgusting. They're bare butt naked. So they are able to get on ships. Shiganshina. What? Hold on. It said they were supposed to? Oh, wait. Are they like setting them up on purpose? They said they were supposed to draw the Titans. Wow. Oh no. Titanic. People are jumping. This is crazy. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry if I messed it up. Please clarify if they intentionally brought the Titans here and the people don't know that. Because it said they were supposed to draw them. They did their job or something by drawing the Titans in. I'm still stuck on that. Just making sure. Please let me know. Oh, that's what I was wondering. Some look like human and some look like skeletons. I was confused. This one has like a mix. He got a human face and the baby, he is lunging towards them. Oh my God. Oh, wish. God, my heart gets like this. Well, it's over with. It is over with. Well, guys, that's it. Whew, I don't know if you handle this anime because I feel like it's gonna get worse and worse. Wait, so did it breathe fire? Or is that just like smoke? Information we can share so far. Rough diagram of human territory. Elevation increases with relative proximity. I'm not gonna pause this since it's watch along, so. Or, I mean, I can. I'll pause it and just let you guys know I'm restarting. I'll do it next time. They aren't the government? No, they got Wal Maria. It's over with. Like, what are they gonna do? show it again. Cry to God is all you can do, because what else? You can't compete with Titans, no matter what. God can though. He said, "Don't touch me, Amir, okay?" I don't know what it is about Amir. I don't like. I'm just kidding. He seems privileged. Like, why was he already on the ships before them? Oh, see, he knew. I know he knew. Well, I'm assuming. That means he knew, right? What? Oh, Lord, I knew it. What? Oh my gosh. There are layers to this, aren't there? I know what's going on, I think. I'll save my theories for the end. Yeah, so you gotta watch the whole thing, because my theory is very interesting, and I feel like I'm in the ballpark. People's gonna start getting antsy. Armin, stop trying to act like you one of us. It's fine. Given a vocal timestamp, 1605. What? Aaron is my guy, okay? He did not play. I can already tell. Get him together, Aaron. Mikasa, where you at? Where you at, girl? Put your scarf on, let's go. I mean, should you have to see that? Like, to know that it's, like, what's wrong with you? I don't care if you an adult, if you an elder. I don't give a. Okay. Right, exactly. Don't follow these people. Don't follow no man. said he don't want that dry bread slash potato. Aaron said, have you no pride? Okay? Have you no pride? Because it's like Aaron, but I feel like she does it more in a wise way, and she probably thinks before she moves more. She's more grounded in reality, but she still don't play. I know. She said, let's make it through the night first. Okay. I know it's hard. After watching his mom. I'm sorry, I'm gonna take it back. Taking it back to 1941. I missed what they said about the government. In 3, 2, 1. So sorry I missed it again. I'm gonna take it back from 1935. 19 minutes, 35 seconds, 3, 2, 1. That wasn't enough. So what, the Titans left after that? After what just happened? Wow. Bummer. I mean, just surviving isn't gonna work. We here to live, okay? Keith looks insane. Skeet, who are you talking to? Armin and that girl look just like. It just showed them back to back. Aaron done grewed up, okay? Aaron said he done growed up. Right? Does he look older? His voice is deeper. I'm trying to follow along the best I can, you guys. There's a lot going on. Okay, so this is the end. Okay, you guys, so that was Attack on Titan episode 2. Things are getting crazy. I can't wait to see, like, you know, just more things getting revealed as we go on. So yeah, so correct me if I'm wrong about Armin. I got his name right this time. Is he like more, well, I guess it doesn't matter now because they were all in the same boat, but was he supposed to be rich or something before? And more importantly, with his dad, the little flashback or whatever they showed, well, that's the thing. I don't know if it was before. Oh no, it had to be after because it said after mom died, you've been acting crazy, right? And yeah, okay. So I don't know. He gave him some injection or something, maybe to wipe his memory. Okay, now that I see it's after, my theory is not quite what I thought. I thought basically Aaron knows what's outside, but or like he knows something, but his dad put him in like a deep sleep or something. And I don't know, something like that. We'll see. It is only the second episode, so as I go along, I'm really good at like predicting stuff, by the way. So as I go along, or maybe I got it right. Is it something like that? Anyway, let me know in the comments. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to episode 3. That will be my treat for you guys this week since I did miss, you know, I'm behind on Spirited Away and I missed the live action movie I wanted to do. So I'm gonna just do a second episode of Attack on Titan this week. I will try to make it a weekly thing where I do 2 episodes at once. Once again tonight, expect Oshinoko on Patreon by midnight. And yeah, don't forget to support me through Patreon or through my cash tag, Real Serene or Serene W Fit. That's separately for my fitness channel, but either one, it's both me. And thank you guys for watching this with me. I love you guys. Once again, God loves you very much, more than you could ever imagine, okay? And I want you to know that. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, or night, whenever you're seeing this. Bye, guys.